Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate about how you can fix the CMOS battery error. Sometimes you might see that on the screen there are you need to press the F1 key, press F1 key to start, and the CMOS has the error like that. And then the one more error is your time and date is not up to date. Even though you change up to date time and date, and the next day when you open up the computer, the time and dates are late. So to fix that, we need to change the CMOS battery. CMOS battery is easy to buy and easy to fix. So let's figure out how to fix the CMOS battery. I will demonstrate. So to open the CMOS battery, you need only the screwdriver, and then to press the corner to the CMOS battery, and like this. Push to the corner, and then there you can take it. Okay, there you got it. That is CMOS battery. I will chain with the new one. After you chain with the new one, we will open the computer, and then we have to go to the advanced mode to change the setting. So I will click advanced mode. So in there, and we had to do in boot section. In the boot section, there will be the wait for F1 if error. So you can see here it's enable, and we have to change disable. Okay, after that, save it. Yeah, save it. Okay. After saving the computer, and then you can reopen it, your error is fixed. You will see there is no more CMOS error, and there is no more time and date error. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.